Hey everyone, today we're unboxing something incredibly exciting, the Samsung 75-inch class QLED 4K TV, also known as the Frame. This isn't just any TV, it's a work of art, literally. Let's dive and see what's inside the box. First off, Samsung always impresses us with their packaging. The box is sturdy, well sealed and designed to protect their premium TV. The box itself is also quite heavy, so you need more than two people to move this TV into place. So in saying that, let's just get this open. As you can see, there's a couple of straps here that I need to take off with a pair of scissors or a box cutter. So I'll go ahead and do that now. As you can see, I've taken the straps off and we're greeted to see the top of the box here. So you've got a little box inside here. If we just pull this out. So this is the one connect. And if we come across here, now what's inside of here, so now this is the TV stands that you can put the TV on. So I'll just put this to the side. And now what I'm going to do from here is just remove this packaging here. This one connects box is actually quite heavy. I reckon it's probably easily a few kilos. So let's chuck that over here. Also, if we come down the end of this box, you've got the user manuals, or the cables, sorry, and the user guide. Alright, opening up the little bag that's got the user manual, you've got the remote inside there and it's solar panelled, so this gets charged up by a room light. You also got the connect that connects the one box to the TV. Get some more parts here. You also get angle connector for your antenna cord, so if you need L shape, they've got one in here, and of course the power supply. Alright, we're taking the big foam piece off here, and now this will go back in the box. You can see the TV. Alright, what I suggest to do if you're going to get this TV out is to cut down here very carefully, making sure not to cut the actual TV, and come around on the other side and cut down here too. Make it a lot easier to get this TV out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now using a box cutter. Alright, once you've done that, you've got the face of the box facing on the ground here, and it reveals more of the TV. And now let's get a closer look inside of here. So you got this, take this foam piece off. Down in here, we've got the wall mount. So I'll just put this over here. So if you want to put on the wall, it comes with a wall mount. Very handy, and it's very sleek too. Coming back to the box here, they do a really good job, like as I mentioned earlier, to protect this TV. They put this stuff in here, this bubble, to protect the face of it when it's being transported. And obviously it's got the foams around for another layer of protection when it gets delivered or if you pick it up. And obviously it's got this sheet around the TV too.